Hey guys, we're gonna try this whole thing where I teach you from my couch. There's my beautiful dog. Alright, so today you have to review complex numbers. We're gonna be changing complex numbers to rectangular and polar form. But first you have to be able to graph them. You have the real axis, which is the x-axis. The imaginary axis is the y-axis. 2 is the real part, okay? And then -3, that would be the imaginary part. So you would graph this point at 2, -3, which is right there. Maybe let's try to graph another point just to be sure. What about, I don't know, -3 plus 4i. So -3 is the real part, so that's the x-axis. Four is the y part, because that's the imaginary axis. So I would come over to my graph, I would have -3 on the x, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the y, 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Also, if I'm just going to be graphing like the number, I don't know, -1, it does not have an imaginary component, so that would be on the x-axis. That would be right here. Likewise, if you have, how far does this go up? 4i, that would be +4 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it only has an imaginary part to it. If it has both parts, it would be in a certain quadrant.